Now that took a little bit of ingenuity, and I guarantee you he didn't look in the cockpit when he extended that gear. All right, now, things are going to get slow. The gear's down. It's going to put the flaps full down. We're going to have a little bit of fun now. We call this airplane Ellie, and you're going to find out why now. The airplane is from the Disney motion picture Dumbo, featuring the size of the airplane and the big lady that Matt is dancing with. Hey, we'd like to thank Matt's sponsors. They keep him in the air. They are Shaden Avionics, Hooker Harnesses, Pacific Coast Aviation, Lincoln Welders, David Clark, Oregon Aero, Champion, Goodyear, Acorn Welding, oh, Skyhawk, CJ Aviation. There's a little bit of intimidation going on out there between a jet-powered truck. Somebody just smoked somebody, and I think there's going to be retaliation. Thank you to Concord. Thank you to friends of Matt Younkin, Summit Aviation, and Chevy Aviation, and World Air Show News, and continuing on the sponsors list, Tulsa Aircraft and Engines, Wheel and Lighting, Hardy Aviation Insurance. Uh-oh, I hear some booms. Parker Cleveland Wheels and Brakes, True Track Flight System, Stein Air, Low Prestige Aviation, and now the sunglasses. Okay, it happened. Somebody made somebody else mad by smoking them, and now we've got retaliation. We've got an airplane in the air with two engines. We've got a jet-powered vehicle on the ground with 3 jet engines, and we, oh, look out, check your 12 o'clock position. I think they are setting up for a race. Out afterward, looks like the Roadrunner in full pursuit. Now remember, he has first got to see Matt Younkin fly overhead. He's got to feel the shade of Matt. Only then, by the rules, can he release his 36,000 horsepower. Matt's going to try any trick he can to shake up Neil Darnell. They are both kids. They are both young. They are both adventurous, and they both hate to lose. All right, here comes Younkin at his speed.